As the classroom door glided open with a soft hiss, all eyes turned to the newcomer, Alex Thompson, freshly arrived from Terra, a planet notorious for its hazardous environments. Stepping into the high-gravity gym of the Galactic Trailblazer Academy, Alex faced not an alien behemoth or a cosmic anomaly, but a simple Earth tradition. He tossed a small, wrinkled pepper fruit high into the air, catching it with a grin. "Where I'm from, we eat these for fun," he announced, popping it into his mouth. Around him, his classmates from more tranquil worlds gasped, some recoiling in horror as Alex chewed, unfazed by the fiery spice. Alex had always felt a connection to the stars, and now, on the brink of entering the Galactic Trailblazer Academy, that connection seemed within reach. The colossal structure, orbiting a radiant star, was more than just a school. It was the crucible for the next generation of interstellar explorers. For Alex, a Terran, it offered a chance to challenge the notorious reputation of his home planet as a death world in the eyes of the wider galaxy. Crossing the threshold, he encountered a mosaic of alien stares, ranging from curiosity to indifference. His human features, devoid of scales or feathers, made him an anomaly in the diverse crowd. As he made his way toward the orientation hall, murmurs ebbed and flowed around him. "Did you see the new Terran?" whispered a tentacled Parthian. "Yes, from the Death World." "Do you think he'll survive the orientation?" replied a Crystal Zonian, their tone tinged with amusement. Undeterred by the skepticism, Alex embraced the resilience of his planet. The orientation, led by Instructor Zell, a formidable figure, emphasized the Academy's mission to push students to their limits. Survival, Zell declared, was not a right but a privilege for the elite. Throughout the assembly, Alex absorbed every word, aware of the challenges ahead. The Academy's renowned high-gravity simulations were not daunting to him. They were invigorating. Earth's gravity had prepared him for the rigors ahead. As the assembly dispersed, Alex felt a tap on his shoulder. Turning, he met Nia, a fellow student whose translucent skin shimmered in the light. "I heard you're from Terra," she said, her voice a melodic contrast to the sterile air systems. "Is it true what they say about the beasts and storms?" Alex smiled. "There's truth in every tale, but it's not the beasts and storms you should worry about. It's enduring the lulls between them." Nia's laughter filled the air. "I'd like to learn more about your world sometime. It certainly has a formidable reputation." The high-gravity simulation chamber buzzed with tension as spectators gathered to watch Alex confront a challenge many feared. Stepping into the chamber, he felt the gravity escalate, pulling at his limbs like Earth's embrace. Instructor Zell manned the control panel, his gaze fixed on Alex. "This simulation will mimic the gravity of a Class 5 heavy world," Zell declared. "Let's see if the legends of Earth's harshness are more than mere folklore." As the gravity intensified, Alex remained resolute, ready to prove that a Terran could transcend the limits imposed by gravity and forge a path among the stars. At the sound of the buzzer, Alex sprang into action, his movements precise and vigorous, a testament to the harsh conditions of Earth. The course ahead of him was unforgiving, a series of physical trials designed to push the limits of any species. Yet, Alex navigated through with a finesse that defied the oppressive gravity, now intensified to levels fatal for most others. From the sidelines, Nia's voice cut through the focused silence. "Incredible, isn't it? He moves as if gravity were his birthright," she murmured to a fellow classmate, her tone a mix of admiration and envy. As Alex approached the final challenge, a daunting ascent, his classmates watched with bated breath. Climbing steadily, his breathing controlled and his focus unwavering, Alex seemed to command every muscle and sinew. At the peak, he paused, surveying the chamber below with a deep breath. A whisper rippled through the audience, a dawning recognition that perhaps Earth's formidable reputation was well-deserved. Instructor Zell stepped forward, his expression unreadable. "A new record," he announced reluctantly. Applause filled the chamber, tinged with newfound respect. As the crowd dispersed, Zell's gaze remained fixed on Alex. "Earthling, I underestimated you," he conceded, his tone subdued. "Your world imparts severe lessons." Alex, still catching his breath, offered a sly grin. Sir, on Earth, it's adapt or perish. We choose to adapt. Zell nodded, an unspoken respect forming between mentor and student. Very well, Jenkins. Take time to recover, then meet us in the briefing room. Your next challenge awaits. In the weeks following Alex's record-setting performance, a palpable shift occurred at the Galactic Trailblazer Academy. Whispers and glances were no longer tinged with skepticism, but with intrigue and admiration. Recognizing Alex's tenacity and spirit, Zell took a special interest in his development. During training sessions, Zell remarked on Alex's new benchmark, emphasizing his duty to maintain it for himself and those who would follow. Alex embraced this responsibility, blending physical exertion with academic pursuit, delving into alien technologies and diverse cultures. His bond with Nia and Varen deepened, their prowess complementing each other's in collaborative tasks. One leisurely afternoon, their conversation turned to Earth's formidable reputation. Nia confessed her awe and apprehension at tales of Earth's savage storms and lethal creatures. It's all about perspective, Alex responded, sharing images of Earth's diverse landscapes. These challenges have shaped us, teaching us to adapt and thrive. Varen added, adversity fuels innovation. Your Earth must be a hotbed of creativity. Their discussions, punctuated by laughter and mutual fascination, fostered a deep respect for each other's origins. This camaraderie extended beyond their trio, drawing many to Alex and fostering a broad circle of companions. Chef Milo further facilitated Earth's integration within the Academy, with culinary sessions featuring spicy dishes becoming a weekly spectacle. As the room erupted with laughter and surprise, Alex explained, it's not merely about the spice. Each dish narrates a story, encapsulating a culture. As the term progressed, Alex not only excelled in his personal endeavors, but also took on the role of mentor, guiding those who struggled with conditions similar to those of Earth. Midterm season at the Galactic Vanguard Academy was a grueling test of intellect and endurance, culminating in a simulated crisis operation. This year, the scenario was set on a fictitious planet with some of the harshest conditions known in the galaxy, designed to push students to their limits. Alex Thompson was chosen as the team leader for this operation, a testament to his instructor's confidence in his leadership and resilience. His team comprised a diverse array of students, each bringing unique skills from their respective planetary backgrounds. The simulation began in the pre-dawn hours as the team was transported to the hostile planet's surface, immediately facing gale force winds and stinging sandstorms. Their mission: traverse the perilous landscape to reach an extraction point within the time limit, all while managing simulated injuries and equipment malfunctions. Keep your visors down and watch your footing, Alex commanded over the roar of the winds. The journey was fraught with challenges. Unexpected quakes rattled the terrain, and creature attacks tested their defensive strategies. Alex's leadership was pivotal during these trials. He swiftly allocated resources and managed the team's roles effectively, ensuring their safety and steady progress toward their objective. The final obstacle was a steep ascent simulating the gravity of a much heavier planet. Here, Alex's Earth-trained strength and stamina shone as he supported his teammates, especially those from lower gravity worlds. Upon reaching the extraction point, the team was both weary and triumphant, having completed the mission just in time. In the debriefing room, Instructor Zell expressed his commendation. Excellent work, Thompson and the team. Today, you've exemplified what it means to be true interstellar explorers. The success of the midterm crisis simulation rippled beyond the Academy's walls, sparking a reassessment of training protocols across the galaxy. Inspired by Alex's achievements, discussions arose about the potential benefits of integrating Earth-like training environments. Feeling a swell of pride for his home planet, Alex played a crucial role in designing new training exercises. His first-hand experiences with Earth's demanding conditions were now seen as valuable assets, and he collaborated with instructors to incorporate these elements into training programs. The newfound appreciation for Earth's contributions extended beyond training regimes. Inspired by the growing fascination with Earth cuisine, Chef Milo organized a cultural exchange night celebrating culinary delights from various planets, with Earth's spicy dishes as the centerpiece. During this vibrant gathering, Alex assisted Chef Milo, detailing the origins and ingredients of each Earth dish. Amid the festivities, he reflected on his journey with his closest friends, Nia and Varen. You know, coming to the academy, I thought it was all about proving my toughness, Alex shared. But it's really been about demonstrating how our diverse backgrounds make us stronger together. As the term neared its end, preparations began for the commencement ceremony. Alex was chosen to represent his class, a testament to his profound impact throughout the year. Standing at the podium, he addressed the sea of diverse beings, feeling an unprecedented connection to the galaxy. Today, we stand united not just as graduates, but as pioneers of a future where diversity strengthens us, Alex declared. Let's move forward, eager to explore and embrace new worlds with the same openness with which we've embraced each other.